Today we are going to show you a small tip about how to check the hair quality. As we know, for the hair, if it is cut from down, you won't get any follicles. Today I'm going to show you my own hair and also show you the bundles. This is my hair. And I'm going to cut it and show you. You can see the hair haven't got any follicles. And today I'm going to show you 3 kinds of quality. This one is our best quality one. You can check the hair wave, and here you can see without any follicles. And there's other 2 quality hair. This one is the front hair. You can see there's some follicles in the bundle. And this one it is mixed quality hair. You can see there's less follicles. See, that's the follicles, but not as much as the bundle we show you. So this one is mixed quality hair. So today that's our tip, and thank you for your time. Hope our video help you to get a nice surprise. Thank you.